MBTV News, this is Apeksha Gadre giving you today's news bulletin.
10 days Ganesh immersion concluded enthusiastically in the city. Bill for hawkers approved in the cabinet. Punishment to the officers faced if take action. Lights missing on Footova Bridge and Juhinagar. Locals demands to start the lights.
Most favorite Ganpati Bappa worship for 10 days was emerged on Wednesday. To avoid any untoward incidents, youth security force was deployed in the city.
गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, अगले बरस तू जल्दी आ। 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, अगले बरस तू जल्दी आ।
After worshipping Lord Ganpati Bappa for 10 days on Anant Chaturdashi with great enthusiasm, immersion of Bappa was concluded. Removing the procession with the dhol and tashas, Lord Bappa was waved off. Devotees were seen shouting Ganpati Bappa Moria, Pujya Varshi Laukarya, emerged the Lord. Dancing on the tune of dhol and tashas, devotees waved off the Bappa with great enthusiasm.
शिवाजी चौकामध्ये पाहायला मिळाला त्याबद्दल आपलं हार्दिक अभिनंदन.
Flowers were offered on Lord at Shivaji Chowk in Vashi. On 23 ponds in Navi Mumbai, immersion was concluded. Youth security force was deployed to avoid any untoward incidents in the city. No traffic congestion was also seen. Next year for Ganesh immersion, roads will be potholes free, was assured by NMMC Commissioner Abasaheb Gerard.
पुढील वर्षी गणपतीच्या उत्सवासाठी मी एवढं सांगेल का आपल्या शहरामध्ये एकतर आम्ही पुढच्या वर्षी व्यवस्था खड्डे राहणार नाही पुढे याची दक्षता अगोदरच घेऊ आणि प्लास्टिक मुक्ती झाली तर अतिशय आनंद होईल त्याच्या दृष्टीने किंवा इको गणपतीची याची संकल्पना आपण राबवण्याचा जरूर प्रयत्न करू आणि ही जी व्यवस्था याच्यात अधिक चांगलं काय काय करता येईल त्याचं नक्की नियोजन केलं जाईल.
Immersion in Navi Mumbai was concluded in the soft atmosphere. Video journalist Amol Kamble with Narendra Pandey, MBTV.
Bill for the hawkers passed in the cabinet. According to the orders given by the Supreme Court, no municipal corporation officer has authority to take action against the hawkers. In the case action is took against the hawker, officer may have to face the punishment of imprisonment.
Bill for hawkers was passed in cabinet. After the order of Supreme Court Samiti, action will be took on the hawkers. Before taking any action, notice should be issued to the hawkers. Different place should be provided to the hawkers. In Mumbai, 17% are food sellers, 19 small scale, 20 vegetable sellers, 3 dairy products and 41 are other hawkers. According to the order given by the Supreme Court, no civic official have authority to take action against the hawkers. In case the action is took, concerned officer will have to face the punishment of imprisonment. Video journalist Vivek Gaikwad for MBTV.
Mobile towers on your building or nearby building which is suspected to be illegal causing health hazard problems, then now you can immediately approach the local ward office as appealed by the encroachment department.
Citizens residing in the area want to complain about the suspected illegal tower. They should approach the local ward office and file a written complaint or query is set by the encroachment department. The ward office will inquire about the tower with the town planning department and issue a notice if necessary. Civic body does not have a specific helpline number or system to directly handle the problems related to the mobile towers. Unawareness and the lack of initiative by the citizen is one of the reasons that are allowing illegal towers to flourish. Mobile phone towers are seen more than 5 antennas. This is against the guidelines of the Department of the Telecom and poses the health hazard. Video journalist Vivek Gaikwad for MBTV.
Well, it's time for a short break now. Stay tuned to MBTV.
सलोना देख के होने लगा है चर्चा शहर भर।
आसमान से परी उतर के आई है इस जमीन पर।
कला विधि, कला विधि, कला विधि, कला विधि। उभर के आई जवानी, देख के हर कोई मुझे पुकारे, आजा दिल की रानी। दुनिया सारी आज अचानक मेहरबान हुई मुझ पर।
आसमान से परी उतर के आई है इस जमीन पर।
कला विधि, कला विधि, कला विधि, कला विधि।
रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स का एक्सक्लूसिव शोरूम फॉर मेल, फीमेल एंड किड्स। डिजाइनर साड़ीज, ब्राइडल वेयर, पार्टी वेयर एंड कैजुअल वेयर, रंग बिरंगी कपड़े बाबा और बेबी के लिए। कलाविधि, शॉप नंबर 49 to 51, पटेल हेरिटेज, सेक्टर 7, खारघर, नवी मुंबई।
Welcome back after the short break. Street pole bulbs on Juinagar foot overbridge are seen missing. Pedestrians have demanded to put the street pole bulbs as soon as possible.
Bulbs inside the pole streets on Juinagar foot overbridge is seen missing, where the darkness is seen spread in the area. 15 years are completed for this foot overbridge. Many pedestrians use this foot overbridge from commuting from one side to the other. Locals have demanded to start these lights as soon as possible.
हेलो, ये रात के आने जाने के समय लाइट नहीं रहती है, या लाइट का व्यवस्था होना चाहिए, और आने जाने के लिए बहुत दिक्कत होता है। चोरी की भी यहाँ घटना ज़्यादा होती है, और रात में अच्छा नहीं है यहाँ आना जाना।
इधर लाइट नहीं है, ये रात के समय में लोग आते हैं, लड़की लोग भी आते हैं, तो कहीं चोरी भी हो सकता है किसी का, और इसलिए इधर लाइट लगाना चाहिए आप लोग।
यहाँ पे एक भी लाइट नहीं है अभी, तो मेरे हिसाब से तो लाइट होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, क्योंकि रात में आने जाने में काफ़ी डर लगता होगा यहाँ पे आने में, और चोरी वगैरह भी हो सकता है। एरिया काफ़ी सुनसान हो जाता है शाम को।
No lights in the area, darkness is seen spread, which may cause any incidents of robbery. Lights are important in the area. Not a single pole light is seen working on the foot overbridge, causing problem for the locals to walk. Video journalist Amol Kamble with Narendra Pandey, MBTV.
Artificial pond in Vashi Sector 6, locals are seen bathing inside the pond and washing clothes. Civic authority, even after displaying the board, locals are seen disobeying them.
Residents residing at Vashi Sector 6 are using this artificial made pond for washing clothes and bathing. Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation has displayed the board stating not to enter inside the pond. But even after this, locals are seen using this pond. Mess collected inside the pond may create any incidents. While washing clothes or having bath inside the pond, leg may get slipped. Even after the order given by the civic authority and displayed the board, locals are disobeying the rules. Immersion of Lord Ganpati Bappa was also concluded in this pond. Video journalist Amol Kamble with Narendra Pandey, MBTV.
Let's once more have a look on the top reports of the day.
10 days Ganesh immersion concluded enthusiastically in the city. Bill for hawkers approved in the cabinet. Punishment to the officers faced if take action. Lights missing on foot over bridge at Juinagar. Locals demands to start the lights.
If you want to give us any feedback, please contact our address F76 Sector 4 Market, CBD Belapur. You can also email us on mbtvnews@gmail.com or can contact us on 27571494.
You can now follow us at YouTube, www.youtube.com/user/1mbtv.
This is all we have in today's news bulletin. Have a good day. Keep watching MBTV.